ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind and build your own Amazon empire, even if you're starting with just $500. Today, we're diving deep into how to launch your Amazon FBA business on a shoestring budget, turning that limited cash into a thriving online store, step by step. First, product selection is key. Forget chasing high-priced items. Instead, hunt for low-cost, high-demand products with low competition. Think small, lightweight items in categories like beauty, home goods, or simple gadgets, and use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10's free trials for initial product research without spending a dime. Next, nail down your supplier. Alibaba is your best friend here. Negotiate hard for the lowest possible price per unit, and start with a small order to test the market and ensure product quality. Aim for samples before placing a bulk order, even if it means shelling out a few extra dollars upfront. Now, let's talk branding. A fancy logo isn't crucial right now. Focus on creating a clean, professional product listing with high-quality photos. Use Canva's free version to design basic product images and infographics. Then use your smartphone to take high-quality pictures. Listing optimization is next. Focus on crafting a killer product title and description packed with relevant keywords. Amazon is a search engine, so treat it like one. Research the keywords your target audience is using and strategically weave them into your listing. Marketing your product affordably involves leveraging Amazon's organic reach through optimized listings and focusing on building reviews. Consider offering a small discount or promotion in exchange for reviews through Amazon Vine. But be careful and do not break Amazon's twos. Finally, reinvest your profits wisely. Don't blow your earnings on a new TV. Plow them back into your business to increase your inventory, expand your product line, and scale your Amazon FBA empire. Small steps, consistent effort, and smart decisions can turn $500 into a successful online business.